I don't have any plans right now, so I need to text somebody because this makeup is too fly for me to just be sitting in the house walking around. It just is. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I know I've been off the grid for a couple weeks. I kind of took a hiatus for December, spend time with family, kind of get off of social media a little bit and really just regroup and plan out the rest of this year. So my apologies, but I'm back now. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday. I hope everybody had a great new year, and I hope your new year is off to a great start. So today I'm going to be working and playing in the Patrick Starrr collection from M.A.C. I picked up a few pieces over the holidays and I just want to play with it because I have seen like some really great looks come out of some of these videos. But yeah, I went on ahead and did my foundation, my concealer, and everything off camera so we can focus specifically on his collection. So I'm going to just take his powder. I don't know if I can get it out the box. I literally have not opened any of it because I knew I was going to be filming today. And you gotta love Patrick. You gotta love him because it's so extra. It's so extra. It's so him. So him. So I've heard people say like this is one of their favorite powders. So we're gonna see because right now Derma Blend has my attention. But hey, you never know what might happen. Alright, so now that I have a little bit of this powder on the plate, I'm just gonna take my Tarte Beauty sponge and I'm just going to set my under eye and wherever else I get oily. And I typically like to just press into the skin a little bit just because when I put my powder on after the fact, once my makeup and everything is done, it's easier to blend out. But don't take my word for it, just keep watching. I do like that it is very, 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 very fine and it's not messy. That's one of the things with different setting powders, like it's messy as all get out and I just don't have the time to clean up after that. I'm already a messy person when I do my makeup in general, so the last thing I need to do is be worried about fallout from my setting powder. So kudos to Patrick. Like there's not really that much fallout and it's not really messy, which I adore. Alright, so I ended up getting the Gold Getter quad because those, I mean, as soon as I saw it in the store, I was like, yo, that's me. So I ended up picking it up. So we're gonna be playing with that particular quad. So it's just so pretty. I just honestly, Patrick took his time with this and I can't say anything other than he took his time and it shows. It's so beautiful, it's so sleek. The packaging, I just, you know, listen. Don't believe me, go to Macy's or M.A.C and see for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Alright, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm just gonna go ahead and take, what is this? Come on, Patrick. Why aren't the names on here? Why aren't the names on here? Okay, so I'm just gonna take this like mauve color and I'm just gonna use it as my transition color. I've seen a lot of people use the other color as a transition color, but I'm like, I'm being a little extra because I know the kind of look that I'm going for today. So just be patient and watch me work. So I have been feeling the new She's Gotta Have It on Netflix. And I've seen the original and I've had mixed reviews on it, but I would really love to know what y'all think about it because I actually kind of like the show, okay? And I'm so glad that it got picked up for another season because we need more people of color on TV and in our entertainment sector. I'm all for that. And then also, did y'all see the Golden Globes? Like, seriously, Oprah, I don't think she should run for president, but if you were not motivated by her speech, like something is definitely wrong with you. Real talk. Alright, so now that I kind of like what I see, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to bring y'all a little closer so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, like the view better? Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to take a more flatter yet fluffier brush. This is what is this? It's my M433 brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to go in with this greenish burgundy, you know, one of these colors. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm just going to work it into my crease. But I'm not gonna go all the way. I just wanna give my outer corner just a little bit more definition. So y'all, we are on the countdown to Black Panther. They already said that they had their tickets already online. I'm gonna buy mine sometime today so I can have a really nice seat in the theater that I like. I don't know about y'all, but I'm literally really stoked about this movie. Like, so stoked. What other shows are y'all binge watching this spring? Because everybody's coming out with their new shows. I know 911 has a show, or not 911 has a show, but there's a show called 911 on Fox. Empire's getting ready to come back on in March, so is Starrr. What other shows? I don't know if we've completely canceled the haves and the have-nots on OWN, but I hear that that show has come back on for its spring season. What y'all watching? Let me know. I really like how these shadows are not, they're pigmented to where you can work with them, but not overly pigmented to where you have to work extra hard to blend them. But they're not like, oh my goodness, where's the pigmentation on this? Like, listen, if I'm gonna be spending money on makeup every couple days, maybe weeks, you know, the least they can do is make sure that they're pigmented enough to where I can work with them and have fun with them. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a cut crease or not. I just kind of, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some concealer and I'm gonna carve out just a little bit of where I want this gold color to sit. This one right here. And I'm just gonna play around with it. Because y'all know I love these gradient eyeshadow effect looks. So I really don't want it to be too precise. I kind of want it to just be gradient and look nice, you know? So let me see. You know what? I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. This is their eyeshadow primer. And it has not done me wrong up until this point. So I'm gonna trust and believe that it won't fail me today. With that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my, this is scratched off, but it's a little bit more detailed of a brush, and I'm just going to take my Smashbox primer water and just wet that because I can't find my Studio Fix Plus spray. So we're just going to work with what we have right now. So I'm just going to take this gold color, this one right here, and I'm just going to tap away until I like what I see. So I usually use this one to kind of, you know, place the color where I want it. And then when I get done doing that, I'll take a bigger brush to fill in the blanks. Alright, so I'm just going to take my angled brush and just kind of get into like the crevices of where like my detail brush might have missed, and double check and make sure that I have a nice little oval shape on my eye. Because remember, it doesn't matter if it's messy or not, just make sure that you're ready to blend with those transition colors later on after you get the shimmer in your eye straight, you know? And I don't know if you all watched a couple of my videos ago, it was one of my blue eyeshadow looks, and I used my angle brush because I'm super lazy when it comes to makeup. So I try to do as extravagant looking makeup as possible with minimal effort. So I use my angle brush as a cheat code to ensure that if I need to carve out a line or make sure things are straight and easy for me to blend out the rest of my eyeshadow, it looks decent, if that makes any sense. Like, I use this as a guide. An angle brush is really a guide. And then I can put a little bit more of that gold color on the lid, just a little bit more, just because I'm being extra and Patrick is extra, so I'm gonna be extra. You know what I'm saying? Like, there are no there are no rules when it comes to makeup. Alright, so I think we got a good thing going. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna take this flatter brush again, and I am just going to take my little transition color right here, start with that, and then work on the darker color next. And I literally just kind of just pat this on. And I don't know if you all noticed, but I have like no fallout, which is, I don't know if I should be worried, because this is almost too good to be true of a palette. Especially when it comes to fallout, because I have no time for fallout. Alright, so now I guess I can go in with this little burgundy-ish color and just tap away until I like what I see. Originally I thought I was gonna do a halo eye, but I changed my mind because everybody had been doing halo eyes, and I just decided I want to kind of be different today. I haven't done a halo eye, so I might do that next. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. She fly, y'all. She fly. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my favorite blending brush right now. It's the NYX brush, and I'm just gonna kind of blend out everything, make sure everything is neat, make sure everything is gradient, make sure I can actually like go outside and be happy with my work. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just gotta keep blending until you like what you see. Don't settle on the blend, don't settle. For my eyebrow right here, my brow bone, what I'm gonna do, I think I'm just going to take my angle brush, like my little cheat code, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of the golden color, and I'm just gonna kind of just tap away on my brow bone just a little bit, you know, not to be too extra, because we can always blend that out with our finger. Just blend that with our trusty dusty blending brush, but make sure that we only touch the gold part and not the red part, because then it would look like somebody beat us up, and we don't want that. We don't want that at all. So I'm done with that. I think I'm good on the eye look right now, so I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit so we can finish this look. Alright, y'all, so I have done all of my eyeliner, mascara, highlighter, blush, everything off camera, so we can go ahead and focus on the lips. Y'all, I was trying to get some of these lip glosses and lipsticks, but I live in a place where makeup sells out really quickly, so I was only able to grab my mahogany lip liner, but I have some lip gloss from M.A.C, and I'm just gonna pair it with that and see what happens. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just align my lips. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take Love Nectar in my lip gloss, and I'm just going to gloss away until I like what I see. Alright, y'all, so this is the completed look. I hope you all like it. I absolutely love this look. I love the lip liner. I love how the eyeshadows are pigmented enough to get a really nice crisp look. I don't have any plans right now, so I need to text somebody because this makeup is too fly for me to just be sitting at the house walking around. It just is. It just is. And I hear word on the street is Patrick Starrr has a couple of other collections with M.A.C coming on. And if that is true, me and my wallet and him, we're gonna have a problem because your girl is sold. But yeah, Patrick congratulations, kudos to you. I love the entire collection. I love the pigmentation on the eyeshadows. I love the powder and how it sets well with my skin. Obviously I love the lip liner and the lip glasses. Even though I wasn't able to get some from your collection, as soon as they get in stock, I will definitely try it out because you fly like that. But yeah, anyways, I digress. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, I'm not judging you, but I'm kind of judging you. What are you waiting on? Just hit the subscribe button already. If you're not already connected with me on social media, make sure that you connect with me. I love speaking and sharing and commenting and DMing with all of you all. It really helps the day go by quicker. But yeah, so that's all the time that I have. Make sure that until my next upload, you always remember that kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So until next time, y'all, remember to be kind and be